Hello and welcome everyone. In last tutorial I showed you how we can detect the static elements like title or label in a document. So after that in this tutorial I'm going to show you how we can capture or detect the value of those title. Like in last tutorial I showed you static elements like invoice number or date or description of the table, etc., which are static to the fields, static fields of the document. Now in this tutorial I'm going to show you how we can capture the value of those static uh, title. So let's start with this. This is my Abbyy FlexiLayout studio, and this is our test project. This is the search element. In this search element I have already created this static invoice number from the last tutorial, and this is my invoice. So you can see my invoice number is being detect here in the blue circle. You can see here. Let me scroll to there. uh, See this. This is being captured. Now we are going to capture this number from this document, from this invoice document. So let's see how we can do that. First we will uh, add this character string. In this character string we are going to give any name, like character string invoice invoice number. And in search string we can pass the regular expression as well as this alphabet number. So but the regular expression are used in cases like date or zip code or things that is which is clear to the which is clear in the document, and we can detect easily. But in some cases like this where we have reference of static field to get the value, where there we use this alphabet alphabet option to search the element. So in this we want to detect the invoice number. So invoice number is going to be the numbers. In some case it will be alphabet, but in our case right now it is just number. So we are just going to select all the number here, and we are going to keep the percentage of the alphabet character around 100. Like this is all the number and we know that, so we are going to keep these are our this is our important search criteria. So we are going to keep it 100, and we are going to click here on OK. Then this is the option percentage of non alphabet character, means these are something that we are not expecting to be captured. So we are going to decrease this number by 20 or 30. You can keep it anything but less than 100. And so this is our search criteria with this much of percentage. And now we are going to give the reference of the invoice number which we already have got. So here we will click on this. No, first you will click on this relation. In relation you will add the element of element of the static string or static text that we already have captured. So this is our static invoice number. So we will click on this, and then it is below of that static element. So we will click on below, and you can see here how it is how it is going to work on that static element. So this is below, offset is 0, and just click add relation, then click OK, and then match it. Yeah, now we should see that invoice number. Yeah, here you can see that invoice number has been captured. So this is how static this character string work.